Hi, welcome to Intro to Git. I'm your course instructor Annie from Innovation Collab at Duke. In this video, I will explain to you what is version control, what is Git, and how to use Git. Okay, let's get started. First up, what is version control? If you have been on a group project before, you know the importance of keeping files up to date. Otherwise, you might run into the situation right here, where you have an original file. Then you decide to duplicate it and rename it each time you make new edits. And this might cause you to be confused. So which version is the most updated one? Don't worry, that's why we use version control. Version control is the practice to document and organize code in your project so that we can keep track of file changes, keep track of repository changes, your change history, work on multiple versions of the project at the same time, and much more. Overall, version control helps us to increase efficiency in group project, effectiveness, and communication. Now let's talk about Git. What is Git? Git is a type of version control system. Instead of saving only the newest version, it takes snapshots of files at each version. We can now access the newest and all the past versions of the file using Git. This is what sets it apart from all the other version control systems. Okay, let me show you how to find out if you have Git on your local machine. Right now, I'm using a MacBook Pro, so I have access to Terminal. And as for you, if you have Windows or Linux, you might have access to Bash or another kind of command line tool. So I'm going to type Git version to find out if I have Git installed. Press Enter. So I have Git version installed on my machine. If you don't worry. I will have a link down below for you to download it to your local machine. And one last note, Git generally only adds data, so the changes you make are not affecting the safety of your project as a whole. If you ever make a mistake, you can use it to go back to an older version. That's all for this video. Thank you.